part 1 is asking us to complete the square of this quadratic here. So we've got some awkward numbers here. We've got two odd numbers here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 3 out as a factor of the first two terms, because I need to start off with an x squared, with just a 1x squared. That's the main priority. So in order to do that, if I want to divide both of these things by 3, best way to write that is just 5 over 3x. So just remember, I've not actually started completing the square here. I've just factorised, or I've just taken 3 out as a factor of the first two terms. So this is still going to say plus 1. So I've not got my square brackets yet. I've not got this x plus b squared sorted out yet. And I'm now going to do that. I'm going to complete the square of these brackets. So I'm just going to focus in on that section. So if we put that inside, say, one bracket, completing the square of this is then going to be found by dividing this term by 2, or this coefficient by 2, putting it in the bracket, squaring the bracket, taking away the square of this, so 25, square the top, square the bottom. That is now the completed square form of this little section here. But that's not what they want either. So the next job is to now multiply that 3 back into these two terms. So if I multiply the 3 by the bracket, that's just going to write, we're just going to write 3 bracket x take 5 over 6 squared. And if I multiply the 3 by this, I can either times the top by 3, but more efficiently I should divide the bottom by 3. So that will automatically reduce it down to its lowest terms. I've got my plus 1 still on the end. The plus 1 never got times by 3, so it's still a plus 1. So we're almost there now. We've got the whole of the first section sorted. We've just got to tidy this end part up. So minus 25 over 12 plus 1 is what we need to focus on next. And if we rewrite the 1 as 12 over 12, we'll be able to group these two fractions together. So my final answer is going to be 3 lots of x minus 5 over 6 all squared, and then I'm going to combine these together. So minus 25 over 12 plus 12 over 12 is going to be minus 13 over 12.